Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. You tuned into the Crypto Flight Edition. It is your fellow passenger stopping in with a really quick update on the Dogecoin cryptocurrency. We're going to we'll begin where we left off with the consolidation range. We're going to pull up those charts here in just a second. If you're just joining us, welcome in. Hit that consider hitting the subscribe button as we go along in the content if you find it interesting as we go along here. My lowest subscribers, welcome back. The YouTube algorithm is responding well. You guys continue to leave those comments and those appropriate thumbs. Really helps promote the channel and the videos. Thank you for that. Yeah, let's not waste time. Let's go ahead and dive into this. I just want to pull up everything so that we can go ahead and get started. And yeah, let's dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's February the 8th, 2021, and the current price of Dogecoin is going to be 7.9 cents. It's up approximately 1.3% for the day. Okay, all right. So let's go ahead and pull up the consolidation ranges and the buyer commitment levels as well. That's it. Really simple, guys. Okay. So this is what we've been following. This is the consolidation range for those of you just joining us. What we've been following is this kind of range here, this white boxed area here. The lower level is going to be at approximately 2.7 cents. Okay. And the top of the range is going to be approximately 7.3 cents. Okay. So it appears that Dogecoin has broken out of this consolidation range. And for those of you who followed our previous video, know that the next thing that we're looking for is that buyer's commitment. And I know for those of you who are just joining us, the buyer's commitment is just basically the green area here, because these white boxes are consolidation ranges. These are the little white areas where the price just kind of comes in and it just kind of bounces up and down within this range. That's a consolidation range. And then when it actually breaks out, we're looking for the buyer's commitment, which is just kind of this green candle here that kind of extends from the consolidation range up into the new range. Okay, hopefully that made sense. This area here, so this buyer's commitment range or level, range rather, is up 1.3 cents, okay, down there, all the way up to, let's see, 2.7 cents. So that's the buyer's commitment range there. And if you can kind of, sorry if you guys have already gone over this, it's just going to kind of keep everyone up to speed if you guys are just kind of stopping in here. This is also the buyer's commitment range here, where it kind of breaks out of the consolidation range, if you can see that there. And then, of course, the commitment kind of steps in after it breaks out from, let's see, it's 0.4. No, it's not 4 cents. It's just below a penny. It's like 0.004 pennies. It's really weird with these decimals, guys, but I think you understand what I'm saying. The next thing, let's go over to where we are present day here. We're looking for that buyer's commitment. Okay, we need to see that buyer's commitment, someone to step in to purchase the cryptocurrency here and just kind of extend the range all the way up to wherever the price is going to go next. I realized on the previous video that we didn't say the target. My target was actually 16 cents for Dogecoin to just kind of break out of this consolidation range and just pretty much walk up the stairs up into the next area. I'm going to speculatively say that it can go up to 16, potentially even like 20 cents, and maybe get like a rejection and find the new range and consolidate, and just pretty much find out where it's going to go next. Now, of course, the buyer's commitment, we would hope that whoever's going to commit to buy up the range will have good intentions in holding the price up, because again, as I mentioned on the previous video, what we do not want to run into is the price, or the cryptocurrency rather, the buyer's commitment. Like if they break out of this consolidation range and we go up to the next level, hopefully they have good intentions, because if they don't have good intentions, it's likely that they're going to pretty much sell their assets back into the market. And again, what happens in that case, it's really simple, nothing to panic over, okay? Because Dogecoin is walking up the stairs. If it breaks down and again they don't have good intentions, they're just going to send the price, or attempt to send the price back to the previous level of resistance. Okay, so at that point, what we'd say is, okay, whoever has consolidated within this range, right? This consolidation range that we've already verified. Whoops, let's put that back. This consolidation range right here. Assuming that we have, the community, right? No one's selling. Everyone's holding onto their assets. This consolidation range will be locked off for the committed buyers, okay? And again, let's see, hopefully I'm explaining this well. The buyer's commitment, who will likely step into this range between, let's just call it between 7.4 cents all the way up to, pure speculation here, don't hold me accountable for this, 14 cents. Let's just say that they do not have good intentions and they try to push the markets back down. Again, it's just going to go back to this previous level of resistance, which the current level is right now. Because what we were waiting on, hopefully you guys all remember, is we were waiting on the cryptocurrency to break above the top of this box, which is currently at approximately 7 1.3 cents. Okay, so this is the 12-hour candle. We have the break above. This is the successful break above that line. So what happens next? Just the buyer's commitment. That's all we're waiting on. Now, I will say this. This 12-hour candle isn't an ideal setup. I don't know if you guys can see this red candle here. This candle makes me a little bit, raise an eyebrow, I'll say that, okay? And the reason that I say that is because I look at price action. You guys know I don't look at the news. I look at price action so much as to where it's kind of weird at this point. But when I see a red candle like this step into the market, okay, this leads me to believe that the price may retrace to potentially back test the previous level of resistance. We just gone over this, okay? The previous level of resistance has had a successful candle to break above, yes? So now the sellers are probably going to step into the market to verify that there's a sufficient amount of buying interest in this market to back test the previous level of resistance. And that, again, is going to be at about 7.3 cents. Now, if there's not enough buying interest or, strength in this market, then it's likely that the sellers will be able to re-challenge this level and potentially break down below. Remember, guys, I'm the neutral party. I'm not invested in Doge. I'm not bearish on Doge. I'm the neutral party here. I'd love to see Doge continue to go to the upside. It has a beautiful setup to continue, but just understand what is going on in the market if there is a back test of the previous level of resistance. Let's go ahead and get a really quick measurement to see how much that would be of a retracement from the current level, because the price is currently, well, the currency rather, is up approximately 1.5%. So let's go from the current level and go down. It's going to be approximately, okay, 7.4%. So let's just say, hypothetically speaking, okay, if there is a retracement here in the market, okay, it always seems like I'm always saying a retracement. I have to go over this because I want everyone to just kind of keep a level head just in case you see a red screen on the chart, okay? If it's down 7.4%, that will probably translate to somewhere around 6% down. So within the next, this is a 12-hour candle. We have 9 hours to close. So within 9 hours, if you see Dogecoin is down like 6%, nothing to lose your shirt over. That just simply means the sellers are making an attempt to test the trend, and they're back testing the previous level of resistance. The true question is, will they have enough selling interest in this market? And are all the Dogecoin communities, is anyone selling, or are you guys holding your assets? If everyone's holding their assets and there's enough sufficient, that's redundant. If there's a sufficient amount of buying interest in this market, it's likely the sellers won't be able to compromise this level, and it's likely it'll just bounce from there and continue to the upside. Hopefully that explanation was good enough, but that's pretty much all I got. So in a nutshell, we're looking for that buyer's commitment next. Someone needs to step into the market, buy up the assets, hold their assets, and just pretty much, push the cryptocurrency up into the next range, find the consolidation range, and of course, at that point, it'll be a waiting game to see how long the price will consolidate, how much of a range would it be. Like, this is super hypothetical, this range that you see here on the chart. I'm not sure if it's actually even going to go up to this level. It could obliterate this level. I have it all the way up to the top line is at like 19 cents, right? Like 20 cents is right there. Pure speculation, right? We just have to wait and see when/if that committed purchaser, that buyer, is going to step into the market, whether it's an individual, an institution. I truly don't, honestly, I don't care who does it. I just need to see it happen, so this way it will display or reflect in the charts, and then I would have a better understanding of what could take place next in this Doge cryptocurrency. So hopefully that was useful information, guys. Let me know down in the comment section if you enjoyed that. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you found value or some sort of relevant information in the content. And of course, leave a comment down below. All of my Doge, investors, you guys go ahead and leave your comments down in the comment section. Also, guys, before you go, we also cover the stocks. If you guys are into, maybe you're not, but I mean, if you are, we cover the traditional markets if you're into stocks. So of course, subscribe, hit the bell. We'll send you that information when it is available. And I think we covered everything, guys. Again, just understand what's going on in the markets. If we see a retracement here, I didn't do a measurement if it were to actually go up to the target. Let's say 16 cents. So we're talking about, you'll see Dogecoin, you'll see like a 90% move to the upside, like 100% Dogecoin to the upside. So if that were to happen, just understand what's going on in the market. Really simple, actually. Okay. So that's it, guys. We're going to cut out here. Take care of yourselves, protect your portfolio, execute your strategy. We're going to talk very soon, and bye for now.